Guys, subscribe my channel for study vlogs. Let's start the video.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, the CBSE has announced latest syllabus of class 9th with reduction. So today I am sharing with you the new syllabus of class 9th. So this is mathematics syllabus term 1. Term 1 is accumulated with chapter 1 number system, chapter 4 linear equations in two variables, chapter 3 coordinate geometry, chapter 6 lines and angles, chapter 7 triangles, chapter 12 Heron's formula, chapter 14 statistics. So in term 2 there are this chapter 2 polynomials, chapter 8 quadrilaterals, chapter 10 circles, chapter 11 constructions, chapter 13 surface area and volumes, chapter 15 probability. You can mark it on book or else you have also write. So this is science syllabus in term 1, chemistry chapter 2, physics chapter 8 and chapter 9, biology chapter 5 and chapter 6. And in term 2 chemistry has two chapters, chapter 3 and chapter 4, physics chapter 10 and chapter 11, biology chapter 13, and the chapter 14 will come in internal assessments. So next syllabus is of social science, politics. Term 1 politics have two chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2, history chapter 1, geography chapter 1, chapter 2, and in both terms chapter 3 only maps, economics chapter 1 and chapter 2, term 2 politics chapter 3 and chapter 4, history chapter 2 and chapter 3, geography chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 3 only maps, economics chapter 3. Now this is English syllabus. Term 1 first lesson, the fun they had, the sound of music, the little girl, a truly beautiful mind, my childhood, poem, the road not taken, wind, rain on the roof, a legend of the Northland. Supplementary book, the lost child, the adventure of Toto in the kingdom of fools, the happy prince. In term 2 first lesson is packing, second lesson reach of the top, the bond of love, if I were you, poem, no men are foreign, on killing a tree, the snake drawing. Supplementary, first weathering the storm in Irsana, second the last leaf, third a house is not a home, fourth the beggar. So the next syllabus is of Hindi. टर्म 1 फर्स्ट चैप्टर दो बैलों की कथा, लहासा की और, एंड देन साखियाँ और सबद, वाक ललद्य के वाक सवैया. टर्म 2 सामले सपनों की याद, प्रेमचंद के फटे जूते, कैदी और कोकीला, बच्चे काम पर जा रहे हैं, मेरे संग की औरतें, माटी वाली, रीढ़ की हड्डी. एंड द सिलेबस इज फिनिश्ड. So I am also telling you the important part that in mid of August there are practicals and oral exams, and in ending of August there are our unit exams. The first final exams are objective types, and our pre-boards are in ending of September or in starting of October. So our final papers first term are in November of 40 marks. They are be held in objective type, and then our second final papers are in March, that are of subjective types. So thank you. Please do like, comment how you find this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.